Guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky. In today's video, I'm showing you guys this absolutely amazing Minecraft Park Edition out. It's actually going to allow me to head to the Shark Dimension. If you guys actually want to go ahead and head to the Shark Dimension for yourself, the name of the add-on is the Minecraft Park Edition Shark Dimension add-on, guys. Wow, that was a long name. But everything you guys are going to need to head to this absolutely amazing, beautiful, glorious dimension is inside this one beautiful chest right here, guys. So what you guys going to need first, you're going to need tin blue wool. You're also going to need fur light blue wool, and you're also going to need a flint and steel to light it all up. You're also probably going to have some enchanted golden apples just in case you accidentally end up lighting up something you was never supposed to light up. I'm also bringing along a raw salmon, so hopefully I can feed it to the shark and he won't eat me, guys. I'm also bringing along a chicken, a cow, a pig, and a shark handling villager, guys. That's right, he's able to handle sharks. I'm also bringing along a carrot on a stick, and I'm also bringing along a bucket of water in case the shark eats me and I'm in there for a while. I'm going to have to eat the carrot on a stick, and then I'm going to have to drink the water, guys, until, of course, he poops me out. But let's go ahead and make this frame. When you're making the frame, you want to put your 2 light blue wool on each side. Then you just want to go ahead and put your blue wool in the middle, guys. So 1, 2, then you just want to go ahead and jump on up, and then you want to put 3 blue wool, guys, and then you just want to put 1 light blue wool on top. And then you just want to look around and make sure that you don't see any Herobrine activity going on at all, guys. Like, no Herobrine activity. Oh my god, was that Herobrine riding in on a shark? I thought I seen him, guys. I thought I seen him, but maybe I didn't. Maybe I didn't. Let's go ahead and jump off this, guys. Whee! Oh my god. Let's go ahead and build this side. You just want to go ahead and put 3 blue wool on this side, guys. Then 2 blue wool in the middle. And then you just want to go ahead and you want to put 1 light blue wool on this side. And boom, you are finished. Now you can just go ahead and jump on down. Ow, that kind of hurt. And look at your amazing, beautiful, epic frame. Let's go ahead and light this baby up, though, guys. Boom. Wow, that looks amazing, guys. It's so bright. We're going to need some sunglasses just so it don't blind us with all of its glory. But let's go ahead and let's head on into the mystery chest, guys. That's right, we gotta head into the mystery chest. And in the mystery chest we have lava, and we also have TNT, guys. So we're probably gonna blow up the sharks, and then we're gonna catch them on fire with lava, guys. That's right, unless they try to, like, tail smack us, and then that'll be real bad, guys. That'll be real bad if they hit us with their tail, or if they start chewing on us. But let's go ahead and head into this dimension, guys. Whee! Oh my god, I overjumped that. Go ahead and head in the right way, guys. Hopefully it loads up quick. Wow, that loaded up quick, and oh my god, whoa! There for a minute I thought I was going to put us in the water with all them sharks, but wow! Look at how many sharks there is, guys. And they are humongous. Humongous sharks, even though over there's a small one. But most of them are humongous, and even the small ones are still pretty humongous. Oh my god, and they gave us some potions of water breathing. So obviously they want us to go into the water, guys. And thankfully they gave us enough for us and our friends. But before we go into the water, let's eat our enchanted golden apples. Let's also go ahead and spawn a cow out there in the water. And let's go ahead and see if the shark's going to eat him. Come on, sharkies, 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 get him. He's delicious. He's really delicious, guys. Like, he's so delicious. Like, when you put cheese on him, and then you go ahead and sprinkle some salt on him, and then you go ahead and stick him between 2 buns, he's just so delicious, guys. I think one of them's trying to lock onto me, though, guys. I'm not for sure which one, but I think one of them's trying to lock onto me, guys. But right now, I think they're in a battle with the merman. So we're gonna probably have to go, you know, deep sea diving and try to get some of them ourselves, because they're not even wanting my chicken of the sea. Like, that's crazy, guys. Everybody wants chicken of the sea. So let's go ahead and see what's going on. And oh my god, he is. He's fighting with that merman, and you better stop doing it, because I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you, shark. You hear me? Wow, they don't even want my pig. And my pig's such a chicken because he's not even trying to fight him. He's just trying to swim away. How about you, villager? What? He was supposed to be a shark handler, guys. But he's even swimming away. You know what? I'm going to have to do it myself. Boom, take that. It seems like it's hurt me to hit him, guys. Like, he must be doing something to us. I think he might be slapping us with his towel. But let's go ahead and keep hitting him. Boom, take that. Ooh, he's dead. And wow, he gave us a full level, guys. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Let's go ahead and try to kill this guy. He's actually locked onto us, and he's trying to kill us. Boom, take that. I'm actually going into his mouth to try to hit him in the tonsils, guys. Oh my god, he's trying to swim away. Oh my god, where is he? Take that. Boom, 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 right to the tonsils. Come back here. I'm gonna hit you in that big old tongue of yours. Oh my god, he's swimming away, guys. He's swimming away. Come on. Oh my god. Really? Really? You're gonna be a chicken like that? Boom! There he goes, guys. And now we're actually on level 2. You want some, big guy? He got some crazy eyes, guys. Them crazy eyes. You know what? I'm gonna try to blow one of them up with TNT, guys. I don't think it'll be him because he's like all the way away from base. I'm gonna go back to base and blow that guy up. That is who I'm gonna blow up, guys. Just look how big he is, though, guys. And look at him. Look at him, he's smacking that villager with his tail, guys. He's like, boom, take that villager right to the face. He also probably farts while he's doing it. Villager has to smell that. You know what? You're not going to do it no more, shark, though, because I'm going to blow you up. And we're going to see a bunch of shark teeth go flying. One time I was actually on a beach, and I seen a shark, and it tried to come up and bite me. And I kicked it in the mouth, and I actually knocked its tooth out. No lies, guys. No lies. Wow, that was a big explosion. And he's still smacking his tail. Am I going to have to knock one of his teeth out like I did that shark on the beach? Maybe. Maybe, guys. Maybe. Let's go ahead and blow up some more TNT, guys. Let's try to kill this guy. Come on. Oh, my God. Wow, he got the big old butt, guys. Like his butt is like bigger than his body. But let's go ahead and light this TNT up and try to swim away. We don't want to take any damage. Oh my god. Why didn't that TNT blow up? Come on, kill him. Come on, kill him. Boom. Oh my god, guys. Ooh. Wow. That had to have hurt, guys. That had to have hurt him. You know what? But we're going to have to try to finish him off, guys. Boom. Take that. Let's see how much shots it takes. Boom. Boom, take that. Boom, right to the fin. Boom, 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 boom. Oh my god, he just died, guys. And wow, they do give us a lot of XP, guys. Like, it moved me up a whole level. Wow, but we finally knocked out a shark tooth, and that's just crazy what's going on out there, guys. I do not want to go out there, because as soon as they unlock from that merman, they're going to try to attack whoever's out there, guys. But let me know what you guys thought about this absolutely amazing dimension down in the comment section below, and also let me know if you guys have knocked any shark's teeth out of their mouths. And as always, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.